Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Updating the Java cacerts file is a common task when you need to add or update trusted certificates in your Java environment. The cacerts file is a keystore file that contains a collection of trusted root certificates. Here's how to update it with a new certificate, along with a code example. ### step-by-step tutorial on updating cacerts. ### step 1, locate the cacerts file. The cacerts file is typically located in the lib/security directory of your Java installation. Common paths include: for Windows, for Unix/Linux. ### step 2, obtain the certificate. You need to have the certificate you want to add. This can either be in .car, .crt, or .pem format. You can obtain a certificate from a web server or from a certificate authority. ### step 3, use the keytool command. Java provides a command line utility called keytool to manage keystores and certificates. You can use it to import your certificate into the cacerts file. ### command syntax. Alias, a unique name for the certificate in the keystore. Path _to _cert file, the path to your certificate file. Path _to cacerts, path to the cacerts file. Change it, the default password for the cacerts keystore, unless it has been changed. ### example command. When you run this command, you may be prompted to confirm the certificate import. Type yes and press enter. ### step 4, verify the certificate. You can verify that the certificate was successfully added by listing the certificates in the cacerts file. Look for the alias you used, mycert in this example, in the list of certificates. ### step 5, restart Java applications. After updating the cacerts file, restart any Java applications that rely on these certificates to ensure they pick up the changes. ### important notes. Backup: always create a backup of the cacerts file before making any changes. Permissions: you may need administrative privileges to modify the cacerts file. Multiple JDKs: if you have multiple JDKs installed, ensure you're modifying the correct cacerts file associated with the Java version your application is using. ### example code to automate the process. You can also automate the process using Java code, but note that modifying the cacerts file directly via code requires appropriate permissions and is generally not recommended unless you have a specific use case. Here's a sample Java code snippet that demonstrates how to programmatically add a certificate to a keystore. ### conclusion. Updating the Java cacerts file is a straightforward process using the keytool utility or programmatically via Java code. Always ensure you have backups and the correct permissions when modifying the keystore. This will help you manage trusted certificates efficiently in your Java applications.